How old do you have to be to have a public profile on Snapchat? So according to Snapchat current rule, you must be at least 18 years old in most regions to create and fully use a public profile. Public profile allows user to share content publicly, grow an audience, and access creator style feature on Snapchat. However, in some countries, Snapchat may allow users who are 16 or older to access limited public profile feature, depending on local laws and account settings. Now, if you are eligible, here's how you can check if the feature is available on your account. Open up Snapchat in Searcher, log into your account. Once logged in, tap on your bitmark icon. Now you will be able to find a profile picture option under public profile section. Tap onto it. If you see it, simply tap onto it and follow the instruction to create your profile. With a public profile, you can post public stories, gain subscriber, showcase saved snap, and make your content discoverable to more people on Snapchat. Keep in mind, Snapchat also requires your account to follow community guidelines and be active for a certain period before some public feature becomes available. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.